Hi, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are good. Before going to the topic, I want to tell you something. That is, last date for applying Accenture is 10th August. So register as soon as possible. I'm providing the link in the description. Go through it once. Yeah, coming to the topic. Today I'll tell you the exam pattern and interview experience of Trines company. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, the recruitment process of a Trines company is: first one is online assessment, second one is technical round, and third one is HR round. Between technical and HR round, there would be one assessment, that is behavioral assessment. This is not elimination round, and remaining all are elimination rounds. The pattern for the online assessment is: totally there are 10 sections. The total time duration to complete those 10 sections is 2 hours 40 minutes, that is 160 minutes. Total number of questions will be 100 questions in all sections. There is no time limit for each and every section. The time limit is for entire exam, that is 2 hours 40 minutes. You can navigate any sections while writing the exam. First section is technical C++. In this section, totally 11 questions will be given. The questions is based on only in C++. Second section is technical .NET. 7 questions will be given in this section. Third section is technical Java. 11 questions will be given in this section. Fourth section is technical Python. This section also totally 11 questions will be given. Fifth section is technical SQL. In this section, totally 10 questions will be given. Sixth section is hands-on programming. This is coding section. One coding question will be given. You can code it either in C or C++ or Java or Python also. Some other languages also given. You can choose based on your preference. Seventh section is reasoning. Totally 8 questions will be given in this reasoning section. Eighth section is analytical ability. In this section also totally 8 questions will be given. Ninth section is numerical ability. This section also contains only 8 questions. And the final section is English communication. In this section totally 25 questions will be given. As I said that there is no sectional time limit. You can complete the 6 sections within 2 hours 40 minutes. This is the entire pattern of online exam for Trines company. Hope it is clear. If you clear this online exam, you will get call for a technical interview. Within 10 to 15 days, they'll send interview mails if you get qualified in online exam. Next, I'm going to share you the technical interview experience of this company. The total time duration for technical interview is approximately 15 minutes. At first, he asked me about my introduction. Tell your introduction, including your project details and internships if you done. Next question is, he has asked to write a program on call by value and call by reference. You have to write the code by showing the difference between those two terms. The main difference is, in case of call by value, actual parameters that we have passed to a function didn't affect if any data or anything is changed in that function. It will not affect in the original parameters. But in case of call by reference, we will pass address as a parameter to the function, so that there will be some effect. That is, if the data is changed in formal parameters, that will be affected in actual parameters also. This is the main difference between these. You can take swapping of two numbers is an example for this. You can write code for that by taking two functions. One function is by passing only data, but in another function by passing address. Next question is also a program, that is reversing a string. This is also very easy. You can easily use the predefined function, that is string reverse. And don't forget to add header file string.h while using this function, or else you can use another method. That is, firstly you have to find the length of the string by using while loop. After that, use one for loop for iterating entire string and retrieve each and every character in the string. Store that character with the help of another character array. This is the logic for that reversing a string. After that, he has asked my project details and asked some of the questions based on my project. Yeah, that's it. Technical interview was done. After completion of this technical interview, if you get selected in this technical round, you will get behavioral assessment within 2 days. This is not elimination round. Only this round is to check your capability. Complete that assessment. After that, within 2-3 days, you will get HR call. HR interview is very easy. The approximate time is only 10 minutes. First question is about my introduction. Next question is how many language do you know and which language do you prefer most? And next one is tell me about your strengths and weaknesses. And after that, he has explained the terms and conditions of that company and tell me about the role and compensation and the other details of this company. That's it about HR round. The compensation for this company is 3.8 LPA. There is a service agreement of 18 months, that is 1.5 year. Role is a software engineer. These are all the details of this company. If you want any other videos, comment down. I'll try to make that video. If you like the video, please like the video and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, comment down. Join our Telegram group provided in the description for latest updates. Thank you for watching.